So to insert the picture inside a shape, what you have to do is first I'm gonna add an image and make sure you do it the right way. So here I have image. The wrong way is what I used to do before, and it looks unprofessional or just not really looks good, doesn't look that good. But you can go to format shape and then here in picture format and here if you actually go here and press Ctrl plus X and then you click on that image, on that shape, and click on clipboard, basically the Ctrl plus X just copied in the clipboard the image, and it also deleted the image. But now it actually looks very squeezed or crushed, or what's the right word? I don't know, looks the image like looks stretched, or yeah, not good. But if you actually go to picture format, if you click on here, it's you can't do anything. So the solution to this problem is, what you can do is actually you have the image here, you have the shape here, solid. Okay, let's say this color. You have to move the image exactly, actually the shape. I'm gonna resize the shape and I'm gonna move the shape here. And I would like the image to be around like this. So it looks professional. And by the way, I forgot to mention, while the shape here, the image is here inside a shape, actually there is an option you can click on here, but it's still not perfect. You can go select center, increase this, try to offset this. I don't know, there are some things you can do, but it's still not perfect. So in this situation, as I said, it's better just to actually move the shape exactly where you want, and then you can crop the image. That's what I do usually, but I'm sure maybe there are other methods out there. Can crop the image like this, and now if you actually copy this and you put it here, now it looks much better. But I do know another method. So you can actually grab the image and select the image and then this shape, and then go to shape format, merge, and here in intersect you added the image. And I believe if you click on crop, yeah, you can still move the image, which I think this is kind of, I'm not kind of, but I think that this one is the best, because you can still crop the image while the image is in the shape. So you can edit the image, you can do whatever you want, you know, but you can still crop the image. So I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.